Hey guys, this is Jordan with Grim Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to assemble your cordage card. So you're going to take your base plate here and drop your 4 screws in those holes. And a neat little trick one of our backers showed us is that you can just take your card here, lay it on the back to flip them without losing any of your screw posts. You can also take a piece of Scotch tape and lay it on there if you want to. Next up is our spacers. We're going to put one spacer on each post. Okay. So here's the most important part, the blade placement. So you can see here this blade, see that sharpened bevel right there? You want the sharp side facing this post, and you want to lay it with the flat side up. So you see how you can't see that bevel anymore? I'll show you one more time. See the bevel on this side? No bevel on this side. Okay, sharp side facing this way, and bevel side down, so flat side up. You're going to lay it on top of these two spacers, see? And when we put the top on, the compression is going to hold that blade in place. It'll also press it into these spacers, and so not only will the compression of the actual spacers, but the blade itself will push down into the spacer and lock itself in. Next up is the nuts. I like to start with this middle post that has the blade on it. If I have my blade right where I want it, I'll go ahead and spin it on. And if you got one of the nuts that's being funny, flip it over, and yep, and it'll set right in usually. They thread better from one side. A lot of times people sit and finick with the screw facing one direction without flipping it, and they're all made to thread a certain direction. There it is. We're not trying to tighten these down yet. We're just trying to get these, and you can check that. Make sure that blade's right where you want it, which is laying on top of those two spacers. We're not trying to screw these down yet, make them real tight. Just trying to get them all in place. Okay. So then you can just take a screwdriver, or you can do it from this side and use a multi-tool. I always, again, start from the center and just get it to where it just tightens up on all 4 of them. Okay, and then I'll go back through and pushing on the opposite side, tighten them all up. Okay, and your cordage card's ready to go.